Topic 1. Tensions between the US and China resurface, impacting trade and stock markets. Tensions between the United States and China have reignited, affecting trade and stock markets. Recently, China announced strict controls on rare earth exports, prompting President Donald Trump to threaten a 100% tariff on Chinese imports. These actions have rekindled trade conflicts, creating market anxiety, especially since rare earths are essential for various industries, including electronics and defense. As a result, U.S. rare earth stocks surged, while China's export controls are shaking global supply chains. Trump hinted at canceling a scheduled meeting with President Xi Jinping, although China remains open to dialogue. The ongoing tensions threaten progress in trade negotiations and increase market volatility. Topic 2. The tragic death of LendingTree CEO Doug Lebda in an ATV accident. Doug Lebda, the CEO and founder of LendingTree, tragically passed away in an ATV accident at his family farm in North Carolina over the weekend. He was 55 years old. The company mourned his sudden loss, noting that his vision and passion significantly transformed the financial services industry. Lebda founded LendingTree in 1996 to simplify the loan shopping process, leading the company to become one of the largest online financial platforms in the U.S. Following the news of his death, the company's stock price fell. Scott Perry has been appointed as the new CEO, with Steve Ozonian taking over as board chair. Lebda is survived by his wife, Megan, and 3 daughters, and his legacy will continue to impact the company and those he influenced. Topic 3. Significant investments in AI by Google and Oracle, highlighting rapid growth in the tech sector. Google and Oracle have announced substantial investments in artificial intelligence, underscoring the rapid growth in the tech sector. Google plans to invest $15 billion to establish an AI hub in Visakhapatnam, India, which will become its largest AI hub outside the U.S., including data center and fiber network expansions. This investment is expected to accelerate India's digital transformation and position it as a global tech leader. Oracle, through a partnership with AMD, plans to deploy 50,000 AMD graphics processors starting in 2026 to support next-generation AI models that are expected to exceed current AI infrastructure limits. These moves reflect a surge in resources and funding for AI, contributing to advancements in technology and corporate growth. Topic 4. JPMorgan's substantial investment in U.S. national security and optimistic profit forecasts. JPMorgan Chase CEO Jamie Dimon announced a $1.5 trillion investment plan aimed at strengthening the U.S. economy and national security. This plan targets essential industries for U.S. economic growth, including defense, energy, and manufacturing, over the next decade. Notably, $10 billion will be directly invested in venture capital and small businesses. Dimon emphasized that this investment is commercially driven and aims to enhance global security by bolstering strategic U.S. industries. Additionally, JPMorgan recently reported better-than-expected quarterly earnings, raising its annual net interest income forecast, primarily due to strong performance in investment banking and trading. Dimon noted that while the U.S. economy remains resilient, uncertainties are rising due to complex geopolitical situations and trade uncertainties. JPMorgan's stock is showing positive trends, expected to outperform the market average through 2025. Topic 5. The impact of tariffs on U.S. consumers, with a report indicating they bear a significant portion of the costs. A report from Goldman Sachs reveals that U.S. consumers are bearing up to 55% of the costs from tariffs imposed on imports, 6 months after President Donald Trump enacted significant tariffs. With the likelihood of additional tariffs, consumer burdens may increase further. While Trump claimed that tariffs would burden foreign exporters, the reality is that American consumers are